Hey yo, my name is Fobeth and welcome to my life. Today we are making this delicious ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Guys, you need to try this. This is amazing. So guys, before I move on, make sure you subscribe, like and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. So guys, I've chopped my strawberries. So I will use sweetened condensed milk, but I will use very little, like 2 spoons. This is already a half, but I'm not going to use a lot of it. I'm using whipping cream. Then this is my strawberries. I'll put it in on a pot. I'll first boil it and make a paste. Yeah, guys, if you want, you just need to try. This is what I use. You just need to try this. I'll put 3 spoons of sugar. Then you keep stirring until you know it will cook into a beautiful paste. Please remember to always stir the strawberries because they might get burnt all the time. You have to check it time and again, okay? And if you like chunky texture, you can end your cooking from here. This will be the right time. To switch off to end the cooking. But see, I don't like the chunk, and my kids don't like chunky, so I'll have to break it down. Yeah, I want to break it down to get a smooth paste. So now I'm done. I'm going to leave this to cool to room temperature, and I'll put it in my freezer for now till it has calmed down. Okay, I'll keep it in my freezer so it can cool down to room temperature. Once it's done, then we'll continue the process. So done. Look at this, everything is cooled down. So I'm going to begin working on my ice cream. I'll first separate this, then I'll work on my whipped cream. Like as usual, my water is cold, then I added the ice cubes. So this process is very easy for me, okay? And this, I kept my whipping cream in the freezer. It almost became ice, so I had to tear it from down so as not to waste my time shaking and wasting my whipped cream. Okay, so I had to tear it from down. So like I told you guys from the last video, this process putting your water and ice down helps it not to whip quickly. And another thing, so it cannot go, you cannot get butter out of the whipped cream, because if the temperature is high, you're likely to get butter out of it if you over whip. Yeah. So make sure if you don't know this method, just try it. It will work for you. It will even easily whip. So I'll work it out until I get the texture I want. So guys, I just want to first give a shout out to those who subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much. I love you. Honestly, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I love the support. It's just such a blessing. Okay, and those who watch and don't subscribe, please, I hope this video will convince you to subscribe. Perfect. This is perfectly whipped. This is the consistency I needed. So I'll add in my condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Actually, I don't have much. I intended it because I didn't want the condensed milk to overtake all the flavors. If you put too much condensed milk, it tends to take over all the flavors in the ice cream. If you put fruits, you will not feel the fruits. You only you only taste condensed milk. So make sure you balance your condensed milk with your fruits. Don't let the condensed milk be too much. Okay, so this is it. I'll mix it gently, and after it is thick, you have to make sure you mix it so well evenly in the cream. Then once that is done, you put in your paste. You add in your cool paste. Make sure your paste is at room temperature. Don't put in hot or warm paste. Okay, you have to be patient and wait for your paste to calm down. There you go. So beautiful. You can smell all the strawberries, and if you taste it, it actually tastes like strawberry jam. That's how it tastes. If you try this, please let me know how it turned out. Just trust me, this is the best strawberry ice cream. Actually, this is better than the other option of strawberry ice cream. You can blend raw strawberries, but this is the best strawberry ice cream. The raw one doesn't come out like this. Okay, just try this and let me know how it turned out. See how pink it's turning out? So beautiful. Gently make sure everything is well combined. Yeah, actually I'm watery. I'm already watery. So see how perfect this is. So let's put it in the container. Yeah, amazing. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Please make sure you support your girl. Please bless me by subscribing and hitting that notification bell for more videos. So I'm going to separate some, but I'll first do some designing for my kids. Hope this turns out well. So this is a cone-shaped ice cube or something like that. So I'll show you guys how everything turned out. So after I'm done, I'm going to put everything in the fridge for some time. This is how I scooped it out. And this one I'm going to put my paste in the middle so I can gently distribute it or design it in my cream. So whenever you eat, actually this is very perfect. Whenever you're eating, you feel everything, all the flavors. The strawberry is there, the cream is there, everything will be, you feel everything once you do it like this. Unlike mixing everything all together. It also works, but if you want to be extra like me, this will work. So this is how it turned out beautifully. Actually, I finished the freezing process. Now we're going to scoop out our ice cream. This is how beautiful it looked, and this is the end results. This is my ice cream. It looks all beautiful and delicious, very colorful. And this is my treat for my beautiful subscribers. Hold on. Where's my spoon? Okay, my wonderful subscribers, this is your wonderful treats. Do you want this? Let me scoop right here for you guys. And just close your eyes and take a scoop, guys. I can't wait. Open your mouth. Yeah, you can taste that. Let me also taste some. Everything is well combined. You can taste everything, guys. Try this out and let me know how it turned out. And as for my cubes, guys, yum. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family, please. Until next time, guys, love you and God bless you.